Welcome to the D365 Wealth Management Accelerator. Designed to revolutionize how investor relationships are built and managed, this accelerator brings together Dynamics 365, AlphaTree's intelligence layer, and agentic AI into one unified, enterprise-grade platform. As part of AlphaTree, we are reimagining collaboration among AI agents, advisors, portfolio managers, research analysts, and all contributors to Alpha's creation. This includes considerations for various risks, guardrails, explainability, and most importantly, building continuous knowledge through feedback and proactive learning. Let's explore the process of new inquiry and customer onboarding. It all begins when a prospective customer reaches out via email. With Dynamics 365 integration, the relationship manager can instantly capture this inquiry as a new lead right from Outlook. The lead is qualified after assessing interest and details, seamlessly converting into a new contact, representing the investor in the CRM system. The relationship manager can interact with clients by sending and receiving emails from within D365 CRM, with assistance from Copilot for drafting. Throughout the onboarding process, every interaction, emails, calls, or meetings, is captured in the lead timeline, providing a unified 360-degree view of customer engagement. Next, the relationship manager proceeds with the customer KYC process, which can be optionally done through eKYC on the self-services portal. The KYC process seamlessly progresses through document verification, optional compliance reviews, and final approval and closure, ensuring accuracy and control at every step. This exemplifies the power and flexibility of Microsoft Power Platform in orchestrating dynamic, enterprise-grade workflows tailored to any business need. Seamless integration begins with secure identity. We enable SSO through Microsoft Entra ID, ensuring a unified and secure access experience across systems. Within AlphaTree settings, users can configure document types and queries to retrieve the knowledge typically expected from those documents. The model configuration allows for selecting different model families and specific models like Grok, OpenAI, or Perplexity, with corresponding API keys. AlphaTree provides insights into portfolio impact and real-time alerts, offering a comprehensive market news summary for informed decision-making. Users can easily add new portfolios and stocks, either manually or by importing a CSV file, defining details like stock name, date, shares, and price. AlphaTree allows users to provide feedback on strategy recommendations and news summaries, contributing to continuous improvement and personalized insights. The real personalization begins here. The financial research analyst uploads documents into the data room, and AlphaTree's document intelligence instantly extracts the relevant insights accurately, tailored to the analyst's preferences. Have more questions? Just ask. The conversational chat dives deeper and refines answers. Analysts can rate, tag, annotate, and capture notes, shaping every insight into a truly personalized research experience. In the end, AlphaTree generates a smart, customized report, amplifying each analyst's unique perspective. This is where every FRA doesn't just analyze data, they redefine their edge. At the end, the user receives personalized stock recommendations along with detailed, explainable insights that clearly outline the reasoning behind each suggestion. Beyond in-app insights, AlphaTree automatically generates a Word document in SharePoint, fully integrated within the M365 ecosystem, enabling the portfolio manager to review, refine, and approve the content before it's published for wider use. Power BI-driven dashboards provide real-time visibility into portfolio performance and goal achievement, empowering relationship managers and advisors to uncover actionable insights and make informed, data-driven decisions, all within a unified, seamless experience. Thanks to Microsoft's flexible architecture, external applications like AlphaTree can be seamlessly embedded within enterprise systems such as ERP or CRM, empowering relationship managers to access powerful insights and AI-driven recommendations without ever leaving their workspace, ensuring sharper focus and higher efficiency. We're committed to creating seamless synergy between AI agents and human interaction, blending the principles of design thinking with the power of agentic design to deliver truly intelligent, human-centered experiences. Every investor is different, and so is their comfort level with automation. With AlphaTree, we intend to allow you choose how much control you want. In view-only mode, you stay in charge. AI provides insights while you make every move. In review-to-execute mode, AI suggests the trades, and you approve them instantly, maintaining full oversight. And for those ready to embrace maximum efficiency, Auto Within Guardrails lets AI execute trades autonomously, but always within the safety limits you define. We will allow you to configure your guardrails, set your risk exposure, define exclusions, and let AlphaTree handle the rest, safely, intelligently, and efficiently. AlphaTree's AI agents analyze thousands of data points, fundamentals, sentiment, and technicals to deliver clear, actionable insights. Each signal explains its trigger, impact, and rationale. Relationship managers can instantly preview exposure, adjust trades, assess risk, and approve or review decisions with a single click. Let's build intelligent enterprises together. The future belongs to agentic AI systems, intelligent, autonomous frameworks that think, act, and evolve within your business fabric. We're excited to help you shape this future by building on Microsoft's unified data and AI ecosystem, turning enterprise intelligence into your greatest competitive advantage.